If you're anything like me, you know nothing about APIs and webhooks and what all of that means. And I actually have an account with Stripe, and I wanted to get paid through my web page via Stripe instead of PayPal. So how do you do that? Well, there is a plugin called WooCommerce Stripe Gateway. So you would just go to your plugins, add new, search for Stripe. You want the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway, and you want the one by WooCommerce. So you can install and activate that here. And then once you do that, when you go to your WooCommerce settings and you go to payments, you will then have this Stripe that you can manage and activate. So we'll go ahead and go there. Now it says you must add the following Webhook endpoint to your Stripe account. So we're going to copy that. Then you're going to want to go over to your Stripe account, and we're going to start in testing mode. So over here you want to make sure you have enable test mode clicked, and over in your Stripe account you're going to go to your under developers, there's webhooks. Make sure you click view testing data. So we're going to add an endpoint. We're going to paste what they gave us there. We can call it whatever we want, shop test. And then you need to add your events. In the instructions it says receive all events. You're going to get a warning in Stripe saying that if you add too many, it's going to slow your system down, and I'll show you, or I will paste in the description the actual events that you need, and you can just add those so it doesn't constantly be looking for all of these events, because it doesn't need them all. So you're going to add your endpoint, and now we have our, see, here's the warning. Listening to all events is usually not necessary and may increase load on your server. So you probably don't want to do that. Okay, so now that we have added that, you're going to need to get this. This is your webhook for over on WooCommerce side. So you're going to copy that, and you're going to put that here. And then you're going to go to your API keys in your Stripe account. And here's where you're going to get this information. You're going to get your publishable key, and then you're going to get your secret key. And you're going to paste that one in their relevant spots. And then you're going to save. So this should make this work. We're going to go test it out. In order to test it, just go to your shop or your page and put a product in your cart. You're going to go to checkout, and the checkout credit card number that you can use as a test is 4242 over and over again. And then you can use any future date you want, so let's just do 04/28, and any 3-digit code you want to use. So we'll just put 123. And it worked. So order received. Let's see if this came across. It says right here, this was attempted right now. So everything looks good. So what we can do is we can turn off testing mode, and we can do it the same exact way. Add an endpoint. You're going to paste in your one from right here. Call it whatever you want. Add the events. Let's see. The events that you're going to need. There's only about 12 of them. I'm just going to... So what you do is you start typing it. So you're going to want that one. You're going to want that one. And I'll put the list. Let's just add those for an example for now. Get your webhook from here, copy it, put it here, and then go back to Stripe, go to API keys, get your publishable key, put it in publishable, and get your secret key, put it in secret, undo test mode, and then hit save. And you should be able to receive payments through Stripe from your website. I hope that helps. I hope that made sense. Thanks.